Everybody's laughing, having quite a time, and here I sit just going out of my mind. I thought I'd be fine when he walked away, but I miss him more each passing day. My friends all say, girl, you've got to move on, but my heart don't listen, it keeps holding on. I try to act like I don't care at all, but one little thought and I start to fall.